Hi guys, I have here a power bank. This one is not working. They say that they dropped this one and now it did not work. It's not even charged itself. So we try this. I have here a power bank to charge this one. And still nothing, no LED is flashing. Oh yeah, it's flashing LED. There you go. But this one did not charge. Let's see. And there you go, the phone did not charge. This one is low bat. Yeah, press it. This phone is low bat, so I press this thing and now power up. So let's try to open this one to see what is the culprit. It has 4 Phillips screw. Yeah, we need to open this thing. Let's see. This one. I think they already opened this one because the tape, sticky tape here is not sticky anymore, so they try to open this one. Oops. Okay, let's see. Oh, there you go. It has a broken connection on the positive side, so this might be the culprits. So why this is not working? So we're gonna try to fix this one. So we need some soldering lead and a soldering iron to fix this one. So we test first if it has a voltage. So I have here a multimeter to check if we have the voltage on the battery. OMG. Oh, there you go. I have here 3.7, so it still have a charge. So we will try to connect this one. So you need to wait, separate first so we can add some flux and some. Okay. How about that? If we try to that. So now we need to fix this one first. So we need some tape to fix on the table. So how to fix the battery for a moment so I can go. Need another one. So now it's fixed. So we need, so I bend this plate, this to near on the positive. So now I need to solder it so it will stick. So I have here a soldering iron, so let's try to put some solder. Wait, I need to put some flux. So now I have here flux. Oops, I think that's too many. So now let's try to put this. I think I need a better soldering irons. I don't have a better soldering iron. Okay, so we test this thing. So now it's a little bit dodgy. My soldering is definitely dodgy, so we try this thing if it can charge already. So maybe we can fix later. Oops, my bad. Okay, I have this phone. Just try to charge this thing. And there you go, it's working. And the LED, I cannot see on the, there you go, the LED now is flashing, so this one is already working, but I need to fix, and there you go, it's charging already. So I need to fix this one properly. So let's put this one again and okay, that will work. So I need to put it back to sorry, my soldering is not good enough because my soldering iron is not too much heat to penetrate it, but I think this one is already working already. So I needed to put it back to the case. So I need to put something tape in here. Now where's supposed to be that thing? And there you go. And it puts the screw inside. Okay, now it's working already. So this is the phone, so I will just only charge, and there you go, it's charging. But the problem with this thing is when I put this one, the sticky double-sided tape in here is not sticking anymore, so I need to remove this, all of this, and replace it with using an double-sided tape. So I try to remove it. So before we put this one, so I have here double-sided tape. And we're gonna put it back. And now the battery is completely been repaired. So I use that thing, and there you go, it's working. I have these two also broken power bank. Also, this one is, it's easy to lowbat, faster to lowbat, so I need to change this with a new 1863 inside. And also this one is I found it in the trash. This one is broken, but the board is okay, so I need to put in a wire in here and put a new cell for this thing. So for this one, it can hold up to 5 cell. So for the next video, I will fix this two power bank. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and see you for the next video.